Hello, I'm Tutor Nick. Welcome to Lesson 20. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to combine some of the numbers that we learnt in Lesson 19.
In the last lesson, we saw the numbers 0 to 9, 10 to 19, and 20 to 100. But how do numbers like 21 or 77 or 110 work? Watch and listen as I say numbers up to 10,999. They are very easy, and we shall see how to write and say them next. Our first number is 21. Notice the red line, hyphen, separating 20 from 1 in the written number. 71 works the same way, and so does 99. After the word hundred, never hundreds when counting, we say and before the next number. After thousands, we place a comma when writing. And the same applies no matter how many thousands. $10,999 has all three: a comma between 1,000 and 900, and between 100 and 99, and a hyphen between 90 and 9. 10,999.
I hope you have enjoyed these two lessons on numbers. Watch Lesson 19 until you're sure of them. Then Lesson 20 will be very easy. I have linked an exercise for you to do in the description below. I will link the solution in the next lesson. Keep practicing. See you in Lesson 21. Bye bye.